Understanding alarm system. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore a very useful phrase in English, alarm system. This phrase is often heard in daily conversations, especially when discussing safety and security. Let's dive into what this phrase means and how you can use it effectively in your English conversations. Alarm system is a compound noun, which means it's made up of two words that work together to create a specific meaning. The word alarm refers to a warning or alert, often a loud sound or message. The word system indicates a set of parts or components that work together. So, an alarm system is a group of devices or components that work together to alert or warn people. Alarm systems can vary widely. The most common types are fire alarm systems. These systems alert people when there's a fire. They can include smoke detectors and loud sirens. Burglar alarm systems. These are designed to alert you or the authorities in case of a break-in or unauthorized entry into a building. Car alarm systems. These alarms protect vehicles from theft or vandalism. Understanding the context in which the phrase is used can help determine what type of alarm system is being referred to. Here are some examples of how to use alarm system in a sentence. We installed a new alarm system in our house for added security. The fire alarm system in the building is tested regularly. I heard a car's alarm system go off in the parking lot. Notice how the phrase is used to refer to different types of systems based on the context. I hope this video has helped you understand the meaning and usage of the phrase, alarm system. Remember, it's a versatile phrase that can apply to various types of security and safety systems. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be using this phrase like a native speaker. See you in our next lesson.